Kasuka mikraya lembaga tenat urban affair kejela kala ai Burom ya full moon well lengdo u driver bat u banman bha marwenyu conductor jong ka electric bus ka bus jongi haro ke jing shiluro jongki ban aji yada ya ki passenger hakapor bak syak wang mau ka bus haka jiyai tali ka KSU ku baje ha khandai tarik hawa kedai no mensong sibenta haro kan ke jingla kam shiluro jongki na kaleng soka ka ai jing yarap pisaro mas po Hajar syakini arngot la ban kada ubah haka khat khandai tarik mentau benai haka por kumbar reu baje duna ka te ka bos ka syak Kawang mau ha ki reu bumla ban tip bum itu dur khmat satia kat ba dang ya ke jing ya rally jong ka khasi student union hak nong ba shilong ka benta ba syak khmat jong te ka bos ka pat ka yit na ka jing syak therma
Sering kan sisian ibat sowi mal di Kawang. Nah, dia ayat ke. Sudah bak wa kabas ka ayat akan be ayat tang lari lang hadir. Kami saja di par.
Good bus is important.
Teh kapor. Mau ki passenger pada panik ra apa. Bridge spot mo. Spot. Bisa kini non travel semua apa. Gedam. Teh tu hi. Ada video. Saya sepang tu saya lihat kan.
Hanga mami ke ngan put perkara bang ken salek tentu babangnya dengan highlight sang ki baknya bang funge tiki nang yang sat kinda nang makinga famki oi masun kawama untuk pat makan bang long na bos dengan su ong ni ban ong na singa kin dem sko bat no to kadang ka jik sakut blok kinda nang perkat nang susun ngoroi sinja ong the day ba ya ki masal sinja mat kali letrik bangan pli jengkang ro kami acu.
Okay.
Maksud balap pli jengkang kami acu kali.
So,
Kadang pli jengkang kal lanang jual dulu. Nah, ia lebih banyak suki kat berdalam ke blok. Artat kena kawang dah. Tembang ayat lebih banyak kan ada kuasa mati perangan. Masa, tu apa kita pat. Namun itu orang seorang sinam abiang besong hano. Niat bedno.
Nuksa babha bak ka long ka ba shulu maka mati tugasi ga jingja da dai kum ki kui kila phet kila ri ndre pi kham hin kham ski pi yang be pi dai ki passenger sang ki kham I ka bus ban lat na ki da yang chisha halaki da bat bnya da saya ka kham tam bat ya ka department
I congratulate both drivers and civilians to perform your official duties with dedication, with responsibilities, and will be learning lots of experience, issues, and it will help in future. With these keywords, I compliment this. Thank you. What I've seen in the video, you did a great job. Great job. You deserve very good. You know what he did? Those passengers who staying there, they ask them to get down. Reach spot. Hide yourself. That's the way how to deal in such a situation. Naglayan I today any driver and conductor, but very good job. Congratulations, Yuki Bravo. I hope Finlong ki inuksa. Example, other buses. Not only the Kabasongi, but all the private buses of flying in Shillong. The Takita detail, may God bless you and protect you every.
In the past few days, stories of hope and stories of bravery are very important. So thank you for keeping your calm, for protecting our passengers, and I can only imagine how difficult it must have been. But thank you for doing such a great job, and to the entire UMC. I mean, I meet you guys regularly, so I know the effort it takes. And the public transport. Public transport should be safe and should be reliable, and it's only because of people like you that it can be. So thank you so much. Good day, Shidu, and congratulations.
Kajing start to pi ba kat kloi ban oi ki no chong bus ki passengers ban re. Mal pikir te bu mau chuan sendat tu nei. Hot. Uban ikong tu wan uyang hatu akhwat ke bos ni. Uba abang suban kung tu long pi kilati ni asmo bakia kia hala ki brio po ke bos tu. Ki kenika eka video ka apa keling sodong ka. Hindi tak na po may glaya, but I think in the sound also. It went viral, I don't know. And tamag people very calm. Namad bapi kami bapi perkastet bapi kaya dead non manumur womansaw atat ka boss ka poy sa kaka baka dingan poy namad ka digay piklem halay ki piklem provoke ki di lang provoke was so calm and they drove the bus
Yes.
they ngatay baka kilaya roll ya pi nila penoy gani gajing yalang kasni baka sorkar ne tu pi ni ay kubay kamudaro kemudah kan dia kaba arrange kan ni kini gidi key officers juga ngapo muda ini na kay tu baburo le ha ngapo urban affairs tingi nilay pen create kan ni gajing yalang ngatas ni ngapo urban affairs kan ay kusna mi pi mo ti pila pen poy ki sa yeng tingi ay ngo si bon pi bat kublay si bon na to man sim kumpong buro from the bottom of my heart we thank all people i madam salon i kongri i secretary to muda mo but don't quite ni I know your p but na don't know mo thank you so much.